Today in this class we will study regarding first chapter of chemistry, and that is matter in our surrounding. So to begin with, we will define what is matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. For an object to be matter, the two essential prerequisites are that one thing is it must occupy space, and another one that it is supposed to have mass. If a body is able to occupy the space, also if it has mass, then it is matter. Undoubtedly it is matter. A piece of chalk is matter, you are matter, I am matter. Like this, the matter has been defined. Now the another question will arise whether the matter is particulate or continuous. To explain this, we must understand it this way, that matter is particulate means we want to say matter is made up of small particles, or continuous means it is one big thing. If I take this piece of chalk in my hand, so I want to tell you that one such big thing this chalk is made up of, or it is made up of small particles. If it is made up of small particles, we say it is particulate, and if it is non-particulate, that means it is one continuous thing. To prove this, that matter is particulate, we take a crystal of potassium permanganate. Its color is purple. We'll put into a beaker of water and you leave it undisturbed for some time. After some time, you will see that particles from the crystal of potassium permanganate will disintegrate because it is kept in water, and the whole water in the beaker will become purple after some time. This will prove two things beyond doubt. One is that the crystal of potassium permanganate was made up of small particles which finally disintegrated, and another second thing that it will prove is that these particles are continuously moving. And here not only the particles of potassium permanganate are moving, the particles of even water are moving. So two things that we could prove about the potassium permanganate crystal. One is that this is made up of small particles. Another one is that these particles of water as well as that of the potassium permanganate are continuously moving. Now next point we want to bring home is that these particles, okay, matter is made up of particles. Second thing that we want to prove is that these particles are very small. So for this we will take more than one beaker. You can say 5 to 10 beakers you can take, and in one of them put 100 ml of water and another 90 ml water. Now if you add into this, put a potassium permanganate crystal and leave it undisturbed for some time, you will find that after some time the whole water in the beaker becomes purple. Take 10 ml water from this and put into second. Then from second beaker take 10 ml and put into third. Then from third take 10 ml of water and put into fourth. And like this you keep on going. You will find that the water in each beaker becomes purple throughout its mass or phase, which will prove it beyond doubt that had the number of particles been limited or they been less in number, then all these beaker water could not become purple. Since the water in every beaker has become purple, that means these particles are in large number. The one thing that you can notice will be that as we keep on going further and further, the brightness in the beaker that will keep on decreasing. The brightness decreases because number of particles are getting reduced. As many number of particles were there in this, that of potassium permanganate, less number of particles of potassium permanganate are there into 100 ml of water, and further it keeps on decreasing. Yet though it is decreasing, yet the particle number is so large, even in the last beaker, say after 5 to 10 such operations, you have 10th beaker, the water even in the 10th beaker throughout the mass or phase will be purple. So this proves two things beyond doubt, that matter is particulate, and also these particles are very small in size, so they are very large in number.